Welcome to Community Building Fundamentals. In this video, we're going to explore how to create and grow an engaged community around your content or brand. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or business owner, building a loyal community is one of the most valuable assets you can develop. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is a community? A community is a group of people who share common interests, values, or goals. They connect with each other and with you because they believe in what you're building. It's not just about numbers or followers. A real community is engaged, supportive, and willing to grow with you over time. Why should you invest time in building community? First, loyal community members become your biggest advocates. They share your content, refer others, and support your projects. Second, you get invaluable feedback directly from the people you serve. Third, a strong community creates sustainable growth that doesn't depend on algorithms or paid advertising alone. Finally, community gives your work deeper meaning and impact. Every community goes through stages. It starts with discovery, where people first learn about you. Then comes engagement, where they interact with your content and with each other. Next is loyalty, where members become regular supporters. Finally, advocacy happens when your community actively promotes you. Understanding these stages helps you nurture your community at each step. Before building community, you need to know your niche. What specific problem do you solve? Who are you serving? What makes you different? Your niche should be specific enough to attract the right people, but broad enough to have a viable audience. When you're clear on your niche, you attract people who genuinely care about what you offer. You can build community in many places. YouTube is great for long-form content and comments. Discord works well for real-time chat and deeper connections. Email lists let you own direct relationships with your audience. Social media platforms like Instagram and Twitter are good for daily engagement. The key is choosing platforms where your audience already spends time and being consistent there. Content is the foundation of community. Your content should educate, entertain, or inspire your audience. It should solve real problems or answer real questions they have. Consistency matters more than perfection. Post regularly so your community knows when to expect you. Quality over quantity. Focus on creating content that genuinely helps people, not just content for the sake of posting. Engagement is two-way communication. Respond to comments and messages personally whenever possible. Ask your audience questions to spark discussion. Create polls and surveys to get feedback. Host live sessions where people can interact with you directly. Feature community members' stories or contributions. Show your community that you value them by giving them attention and appreciation. Here are some core best practices. Be authentic. Let people see the real you, not a perfect version. Keep communication transparent about your goals and challenges. Create a safe space where people feel respected and valued. Respect boundaries and community guidelines. Give more than you ask. Help others succeed before asking them to support you. These practices build trust over time. As we continue, remember that community building is a marathon, not a sprint. You're not just collecting followers, you're creating a group of people who genuinely care about what you're doing. This takes time, consistency, and authentic care. The strategies we've covered so far form the foundation for everything that comes next. Let's summarize 4 key action items. First, start with purpose. Be clear about your niche and what you offer to the world. Second, listen actively to your audience feedback. Their insights help you improve and grow. Third, stay consistent. Build trust through reliable content schedules that your community can count on. Fourth, iterate and evolve. Learn from your metrics and adapt your strategies based on what's working. Remember this, your community is your greatest asset. Nurture it with consistency, authenticity, and genuine care. Don't treat community building as a marketing tactic. Treat it as a genuine relationship. When you focus on serving your community first, success follows naturally. So start building your engaged community today. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.